Ladies and gentlemen, welcome in the studio. Let's make some beats. This is what we are here for today. So recently I've been using a lot of Massive X, not synthesizing everything but just switching presets and seeing what this is capable of, and this sounds so insane. The quality is on such high level, I feel like. I plan on using Massive X a lot today. Basically start a beat with Massive X. Basically the initial preset, just a saw wave, sounds so clean. Okay, so I think we're gonna start with... There's even vocal? What's this? Cool. Oh, that's cool. But it has too much mod. Yeah, a little bit. So this is basically cutting some from 170 to 520. Compressing this region. So let's start in F, maybe. Yeah, that's the chord progression. Yeah, okay, so not exactly, not yet. Okay, but I want this to be playing. Yes. Go for like 90 maybe? Okay, so let's pull up the next Massive X instance and let's add some respace maybe or something like really deep. That's interesting. Okay, save it real quick. Cool. Maybe let's limit a little bit these the frequency range. I don't know how to use Massive X because I would normally make the filter not open so much. Maybe I can try somehow. Maybe this. Oh. Oh, it worked. Cool, this is what I wanted, but this is playing too high. It's F1. No, it can't be F1. Oh yeah, this is... That's the bass. You can even try to make it a little open a little bit. Okay, maybe let's add a RC20 to this lead plucky thing. Sounds even more spockier. And also some ultimate space. This is a preset I stole from Virtual Riot's streams. This is a reverb rack he is using. It's really cool, to be honest. It sounds really nice. Okay, so this is gonna be starting with with just the lead. So let's say we are gonna have 8 bars of just the lead playing or whatever this is, keys or something. And then we are gonna have a respace coming in on the next 8 bars with some keys, chords. Okay, so but I need this to be playing, I guess, 1 octave down, am I right? I'm gonna use pitch for that, pitch effect. Maybe change the quantize thing to 1/8. I made a tutorial on this, so if you don't know what I'm doing, just check out the tutorial. It's a pretty interesting thing. It makes the piano or whatever keys sound more natural by offsetting the notes. Sounds really cool. Oh! That's cool. Okay, we can add more spookiness to this by putting a portal on that with some... Let's check this one. Yeah. That's a preset I made. It's basically pitching up the input and doing something with it. It's not easy, but it sounds cool. All we need is a vocal. This guy. Let's add a house effect on this, I guess. Yeah. We need some drums, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, this is 110. Cool. I'm gonna use that. Da, 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 da. Like some glitches. Like da, ba, ba, ba. Let's write the melody, so it won't vanish from my head. Da. Da, 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 da. Okay, let's leave it like that. Now, attack. Can I somehow modulate the attack? Yeah, I want something like that. Yeah. Yeah. I don't want delay, or maybe be automated by the amp envelope, I guess. Where are effects? What's this? LFOs. Virtual realities here? Oh my god. Oh, there's delay here, right? This is envelope 1, right? So if I drag this here... Yeah. So we get a little bit of the delay. Cool. Okay, now let's distort this. Some OTT. fracture. Let's try it. Okay, and now we do this. Ooh, that's it. And now resampling. Or not. Okay, so we have a lot of material right now to just experiment, just chop it up and make some cool rhythm and make some cool patterns. So let's find something interesting. I like the sidechain here. It's cool. Like this. Maybe feel this here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is gonna be actually the first part of the drop, let's say. Let's copy this, put it here. Oh, and this thing, right before the drop. Okay, so I want to fade this out here. It's a key change, I think like that's out of tune a little bit. Is it F now? No, that's B? Are you kidding me? How can this be B? I don't want B. Yes, I warp everything. Okay, let's switch to F sharp. I don't like bass being in B. No one likes bass being in B. Yeah, that's gonna sound not clear. So maybe we can at least use something like this. Yeah, sounds better. Okay, let's try this. And transposition modulation. See. Okay. Okay, let's try distorting it again. Oh wait. Shouldn't it be minus 12? Oh. I think it just sounds louder, not much better. Okay, so let's listen to the whole thing. Oh yeah, and last thing is reversed kick. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Also, reminder, Black Friday sales, 50% off on everything is up and running right now. So go ahead and make yourself a present. And have a great day, night, and see you in the next one.